Welcome to this course and congratulations for choosing to master your workflow in Logic Pro X. You will learn how to speed up your productivity and efficiency in Logic and as a result give more room and energy to your creativity, your music, and as a result give more room and energy to your creativity, your music, which is what is most important after all. When you have completed this entire course, you will have a huge range of powerful workflow tips, tricks, and hidden gems in Logic. You will unlock all these secrets and be able to implement any of them when you compose and produce your music in Logic. This is a course for you, the experienced Logic user. For those of you who want to level up your workflow in Logic to a professional standard. For composers and producers that want to be able to go from an idea to a finished track faster and with more creative flow. My name is Mike and I have been using Logic as my main DAW for several years. I did use Cubase for many years before that, but I switched to Mac in 2013, moved over to Logic, and I simply fell in love with this DAW. It is inspiring to use, easy to learn the essentials of, and there are so many incredible features and hidden gems inside it. So take action now and enroll in this course if you really want to master your workflow in Logic. Taking action is the only way to move forward in any journey. My name is Mike and I wish you welcome as a student in my course. Enroll right now and go from an experienced Logic user to mastering your professional workflow.